the great horned owl. It must eat 100 grams of meat per day to survive. That's 3 voles worth. Unlike many tiny mammals, the meadow vole doesn't hibernate. Over winter, it digs a labyrinth of tunnels under the snow. Under the muffling blanket, the vole makes the faintest rustle. Even 20 meters away, the owl can hear it. The vole has acute senses and quick reflexes of its own. But this game of cat and mouse is not over. The vole has a weakness. It doesn't stash food under the snow. Getting food means breaking cover.